Being an influencer is hard. Hello, it's me.
It's me!
I am back doing another makeup video. My last video was the Cunty Bruise accidental drag look that ended up looking not great. Slightly better than the first time I tried drag. Hopefully it won't be as much nose job chic. So I did a little bit more homework this time. I watched a bunch of tutorials. The ones I mainly took notes on were a Gigi Good one, and a Bitch Pudding has a lot of really great beginner drag tutorials that are really detailed, which is nice. So we're gonna get started. Oh, and I will say, I am not using primer, but everybody that I watched said that you should use primer before you start. But since I barely ever do makeup, like really only when I'm making these videos, and also I'm lazy. I am also still not gonna be blocking my eyebrows because I feel like I should learn how to do the rest before I start with that, because that's hard. So we're going to start with some foundation. I'm going to take this liquid. I'm gonna try to do product placement better this time. Okay, what is this? Going great. Wet n Wild Dewy Rose Ivory Foundation. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing where I put it on my hand, and I'm gonna take Beauty Blender, which I wet already. It's nice and big and fluffy, and I'll take the butt of it.
He touched the butt.
And then you dab it. You don't swipe. I know I swiped last time.
Swiper, no swiping.
Also, I didn't talk about how bad the camera quality was last time. I'm hoping this one is better. I am going to use the pointy side to get under my eyes. Obviously, that would be impossible to get with the butt. Highlight first or contour first? I don't know. A lot of people also do eyes before this. And that can help with exactly what happened to me last time. Oh, I've made an enormous error. We're gonna do concealer. I just decided.
I decide!
Okay, so you do concealer on the T-zone. I'm gonna try to do product placement better this time. And my clown triangle. There we go. I'm gonna put it out a little bit this way. Up and out, they say. Up and out. Oh, so I was confused about this last time. But the reason you're doing this is to bring everything vertical.
Everything I did was horizontal, and I should be more vertical.
So you're also supposed to do a little bit down your nose. I messed up. That's okay. And did you see me miss that? On the chin. Okay, so I'm gonna blend this out. I got it on my eyelid. Worst things have happened to my eyelids. I'm talking about last video. Not sure what else that would mean. Okay, so I think the color is supposed to be a little different, more different from foundation to this. I'm gonna do the contour, and then I'm gonna go back in with another concealer. Obviously, last time we learned that if I just keep trying stuff, it's gonna go really well.
It's Mr. Studio Girl.
So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna powder yet. I'm gonna do the contour, which again, you know, I'm using the stuff that's kind of the same color as my face, or my foundation, but whatever. So I'm gonna go again at the top of my head. Again, uneven, but we're gonna go for it.
Shall we go for it?
Trixie says to go from under the ear. Gigi says to go from above the ear. They obviously, oh, it's really they obviously do really different types of makeup, but I am gonna go for kind of both for some reason. Oh, and also Bitch said to do the under part of your nose. I'm gonna do the sides of my nose. And up into the corner. And kind of connect it to the eyebrows. I think this is looking a little bit better than last time.
What, like it's hard?
I'm gonna blend that in. I've noticed that this stick doesn't blend that well, but I think we're doing okay. I do have a little bit of a beard again. I think I'm putting it up too high. Like, I think it's supposed to be under the jaw and I'm putting it on top. So maybe next time I'll not do that. So I'm gonna go in here, blend the nose, blend the nose. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back in with that, this stick. This is highlight though. Whatever, I'm using it because my concealer is a little bit too dark. So I'm gonna do the same thing again. This is what I have. Great. I'm gonna go back in and blend again. And I'm gonna use my fingers, which I feel like Gigi used, so whatever. If Gigi can do it, I can do it. Again, I can't tell if my lighting is just really bad or if this looks good.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
Am I T? Am I queen? Am I a legend, icon, slay, diva? I might be.
Bitch, I might be.
Like what? I feel like this is actually not that bad. Wow, famous last words probably, but like, not that bad. Okay, so now we got this. I know I'm not like doing anything with my eyebrows, but I am gonna go in and try to do just like a little bit of the cut thing that people do. So I'm gonna go in back with my concealer and I'm just going to follow my natural eyebrow just to give a little bit more space for there to be makeup. And TBH, I kind of like this look, so keep that in mind. Maybe I'll add that later. Powder! Fucking get out. Get out! Whenever I'm doing this, I feel like Scarface.
Say hello to my little friend.
To be clear, it's because I have a freaking giant ass pile of powder, not because I'm doing cocaine right now.
I don't do cocaine!
Or ever.
I don't know what it looks like!
I feel like I smell like cereal. Gigi talked a lot about like preventing creasing, which I am seeing, so I guess I didn't do that right, but... Oh, I also didn't do my neck. You know what? Whatever, I don't have a beard. And I am gonna go back in and brush it away, because apparently you brush it away so that it doesn't get cakey. Got powder in my mouth. I am now going to do a little bit of eyebrow stuff. Eep. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit of dark. I forgot to do all my product placement, you guys.
We're all just like realizing things.
Okay, I'm gonna take this brush for some reason, and I'm gonna put a black on it, and I'm just gonna darken my eyebrows so that they look a little bit smoother. And just like I did something to them, just makes me feel better about myself. This is gonna be the part where I have an idea that ruins everything. I'm gonna just extend them all the way. We're gonna leave it. So that's that, and then I'm gonna take the lightest color I have is a cream. So I'm gonna take that and go, this is me cleaning my brush, go underneath, because people say to put like white underneath that, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, that didn't do anything, but I'm gonna do it to the other side so that it's even. My eyebrow's uneven. Everybody says you start on the outside of the eyes with like neutral shade. So we're gonna do that. I'm so pissed because I wanted to only get bright colors, and my friend was like, no, you need naturals. Anyway, I'm gonna only use the naturals right now because everybody uses like a brown to start. So I'm gonna do that, and the way that you do it, so I've just heard, is you go in the corner. Again, I put way too much in the corner. So I don't know how to get around that, but you basically make like that situation.
Call it the situation.
Just trying to wipe this off. But whatever, this is what we're doing. We're here, we're queer.
Gay right.
Okay, so it's like a little bit in here and then it's out, and this is like the map that you're following basically. And they said never down, it's always up and out. So I'm just gonna try to get even. Okay, the light in here is so fucking bad, so I'm gonna blame that. So then I'm gonna go in with a lighter color on the outside. No, a darker, I don't remember. Fuck it, I'm gonna go with the blue that I fucked everything up with last time, because that seems like a really good idea. And then I'm gonna do those triangles that I was talking about you're supposed to do. Just like on the outside. Oh, let me start at this side so you can see it. But better. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. Alright, here's what we have right now. Since I have that blue, I'm gonna go with the shimmery purple, which I think I also did last time. And I'm gonna just blend and fill in. I'm supposed to do the semicircles. Alright, so I'm gonna go back now with a lighter color. I have this orangey, I guess I'll use on the top. Now I think I'm making something. This is art.
Art.
I get a fluffier brush and I blend it. And then I'm gonna go back in with that brown I used at first and go under the eye, because I don't know, that's what people said to do. Makes your eyes look bigger, I guess. I think that's maybe what Sugar said, or Spice. I'm so sorry, I don't remember which one of you I watched.
Twin.
Okay, it looked good when she did it. It's giving maybe also Edwards and Black Swan. I can't. Once again, I'm gonna do unprecedented. I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna go in with my gel eyeliner. See if I can do it better this time than I did last time. Ooh, fucked up real bad there. And do the other side. Let's just... Oh boy, this is about to get bad.
It's gonna be so bad.
This has happened.
Lord, I'm having a heart attack. Damn, this is some scary shit.
Lord. For some reason now I'm doing Sasha. Might as well do my mustache while I'm at it. Well, everything went to shit.
Her interview with her look with her book cover with
Well, let's put some concealer on to try to fix a little bit of this. Oof.
Ugly.
And I am gonna put it up in the corner because you're supposed to get a little highlight up in there. No one let me around a gel eyeliner. This is my problem. It's not my only problem. This is my big problem. Anyway, I'm gonna go with the pencil, do the under part, the waterline. Ooh, I still have to do blush and bronzer. Are you so excited for me to fuck it up even more? I'm also not curling my eyelashes because this is not that serious. I am trying to learn, you guys, I promise. This is, the point is that I am trying to learn. Okay, I'm gonna go out on a limb, oops, and say the eyeshadow is not that bad. I mean, it's not great, but like, I mean, I think if I hadn't fucked up the eyeliner, God, it looks so bad. would be truly horrendous if I hadn't fucked up eyeliner. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna go in with the blush now. Peachy. And I'm gonna do my little temples. Because this is what I saw somebody else do. I think it was Bitch Pudding. And I like the way that she looked. Obviously I'm not matching that. But I am trying to pack on some color here in the corners to look a little cute. Get a little highlight, maybe a little muggy. Tip of my nose. Gigi and Bitch also both put blush on their jaws. Nose. She's cute. She was cold from the snow or whatever. I feel like I need some more definition in something. But you know what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna pack it in with powder again. Because that feels like a great move. Do you feel like this powder is a little bit light and not translucent? Frida Kahlo.
Right.
Do a little bit more blush. Honestly, I think it's a little better. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more highlight, which, oh, here she is. And then just a tiny bit of contour. I'm gonna put a dab of bronzer on. And if I fuck it up, it's on you. It's on you. Am I talking to the audience or am I talking to myself? Okay, I got it. Just a tiny bit. I think I haven't ruined it yet.
She's a life ruiner.
We're just gonna go back and a little more blush. This is helping. I promise. Lip liner. I did the mustache a little too close to home, so. Okay, I'm trying to do this thing where it's darker on the outside. I'm just gonna blend that a bit. I think this is what Gigi did. I'm gonna go in with the lip color, this red one. Again, from afar, sort of works.
She's a full-on Monet.
I'm gonna do something crazy, and I'm gonna add a little blush on my nose, because I feel like that'll kind of tie it together a little. Just on the sides. And then I'm just gonna go in again, just really lightly, with white eyeshadow. Oh, I do want to put a little shimmer on my eyes. So I'm just gonna dab that on. I'm gonna dab that on with a brush. Just a little silver shimmer. Actually, I'm gonna just put a little bit of black. Just a little blend on my mustache. Feel like texture. And I think we're done. Am I dewy and beautiful and gorgeous? No. But am I better than last time? Perhaps also no. But am I learning every time I do this? Specifically, get a fucking pencil eyeliner, not a gel. Yes, I am learning. The handsome man is back. Man is pushing it. Kind of snatched. Like a little snatched. That part's okay. We live and we learn.
I'm no good at goodbyes.
I'm not feeling myself as much as it was last time. Who is she?